Hey, thanks for clicking on this video. So as you see by the title, it's going to be about chrome application. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply your chrome so it goes on like this and there's no mess on the base of the nail or outside of your design where you have the chrome placed at. Applying chrome can seem a little intimidating and messy, but it can be super simple, and I'm going to show you how you can do it the easiest and cleanest way possible. So what you're going to need is a chrome base. So I like to use this one from iGel. I believe it's under 10 bucks, or it is $10. Very cheap, it lasts a while. And I like to use the chrome base instead of a regular base coat, because with the regular base coat you don't get that like sheen, really shiny chrome finish that you want. Then you'll obviously need your chrome that you want to use. So I'm going to be using a red and a purple for this tutorial. Next you'll need some acetone, which mine's pretty much out, but I just need a little bit for this video. So all right, so we have a chrome base, our chrome, our acetone, and then we just need a base color. So I'm going to be using a sheer nude, and then I have another nude that's like full coverage, and I have a liner gel for a design so I can show you. Okay, so the first one I'm going to show you is a French tip, which, you know, the chrome French tip is always really cute and popular. So I'll show you how to do that. And I'm gonna just do 2 coats of the sheer nude color. All right, and then I'm just gonna cure it. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with my second layer. And then I'm gonna cure again. And this nude is Sea Swingin' Sun from Nail Addict, which I think they changed your name to Nail Reserve. But this one's really good, I like it. Okay, now that it's done curing after the second coat of gel, you're just gonna take your acetone. And if you have a like lint-free wipe, that's perfect. I'm just using like a paper towel and wiping it off. So you're just gonna make sure that that whole tacky layer is completely wiped off and then it's dry. And it'll be smooth, and then you're gonna go in with our chrome now. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of my chrome base on here, and I'm just gonna put a little bit so I can do the outline of my French tip. And that beep, so it's done. And now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and draw my French tip, or the outline of it at least. So I'm just gonna take my liner brush. Okay, now that I have my outline done, I'm just gonna take my brush and my bottle, my gel, oops, out of focus there. I'm just gonna fill in my French tip area all the way up to the line and blend it. And when you're going in without a color underneath, it is a little tricky to see, but just keep a very sharp eye and you should be fine. Okay. Okay, and now that the chrome is on there, we're just gonna go ahead and cure it again, 60 seconds into the light. Now you can see. Okay, it is fully cured. And now for the fun stuff, putting on the chrome. So I am actually gonna use this rose gold instead, just because it's really pretty. And I already swatched the purple chrome, so let's see what this rose gold looks like. All right, so we're just gonna take some onto the little applicator brush, and you can either use your finger, you can use a sponge, you can use the little silicone piece, whatever you have. And we're just gonna rub this in. And if you can see, I'm rubbing it in the lines, but I'm also touching on the outside just a bit. And the chrome is getting on the nail, but it's not stuck on the nail. It's staying in the lines, like it's only gonna be stuck to where I put the chrome at. So now I'm just gonna wipe it. And there we go. You can see how clean that looks. I don't know about you, but when I first started using chrome, it would be everywhere. It would not be this clean. So this saves a lot of time for cleaning up. Okay, and for the next way I'm gonna show you, I'm just gonna take this tan that is not sheer, and we're gonna do a design. So we're gonna do a flame, but first I'm gonna put this down as our base, our background color. And then cure. So this one from iGel, I really like it. It's a really pretty color, and honestly, you could use just one coat and get full coverage. Yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think about iGel? Let me know in the comments. All right, I'm just gonna take some paint for my design. We're gonna do the flame in red. And this is done curing now, so we're just gonna take the acetone and rub it on the base. This is where we don't want any of the chrome to stick. So we're just gonna take that, wait for it to dry. All right. And we're gonna take our color, and now I'm gonna go in with the design that we're gonna do, which is the flame. Sorry, it keeps going a little out of focus there, probably because of my hand getting in the way. Doing a flame in recording, especially at the angle I have my camera, is like really hard. Okay, now that we have the flame painted on, we're just going to put it in the lamp and cure. Okay, so now that is done curing, and I'm just gonna go in with the chrome base, and I'm gonna go over this color. You do not need to wipe this with acetone again, because we're going to cover the design portion with the chrome base, so then that way we can rub the chrome on here. When you do whatever you're doing, your design, you know, where you wanna put the chrome in color, it's so much easier because you can see, you know, where you're painting, versus when you're doing it in clear, unless you have like really great eyes. I wear glasses, so I mean, my eyesight's not the best. So I have to really like look. And just like what I was saying about using a base coat and it not coming out the best, you could go in over top of this color with the chrome, but it's not gonna be that satin chrome finish that you want. So that's why it's important to use the chrome base coat on this. So that way you get that very like metallic chrome look. And then we're just gonna cure again before we go in with the chrome. Oh, hard to open. How pretty. Chrome is so fun to use. Okay, now it's the moment of truth. How will this chrome look on the flame? This looks like magnetic, right? Oh my gosh. Whatever's in that. It's all sticking together. And now we're just going to dust off the nail. And you can see there's a little bit like up here. That's okay, we'll wipe it off. But any other time, like if you went in with the chrome gel on top of like the tacky layer, you would get so much mess outside of these lines. It would be crazy, and you'll spend so much time cleaning that up instead of moving on. With this, it's like, okay, it's basically clean. You just have to do right there. So yeah, that's all. That's how you do it. That's how you get the clean chrome lines. So yeah, that's all. If you thought this video was helpful, please leave a like, comment, you know, subscribe. I'll be posting more nail tutorials and hacks. Sometimes I post on my shorts, sometimes on my TikTok, and then other times I will make a video and post it on here, so that way you get a step-by-step way to learn. Thanks for watching. Bye.